Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Hey guys, let's just unpack on the case systems of boundary things we're taking another direction and how accused number 3. Mthobi Simncube is like excellent. I didn't expect that. So proud of him. And Umnisi, I'm just like, because there was a stage where accused number 3 was just saying nje yabona ngendlela engcole ngayo liphoyisa leli Constable Zungu. Azi nje futhi ukuthi iphoyisa lalithinde liphoyisa elinjani layo. Wathi uratha kodwa iphoyisa okusalayo. I was just like, bro, like, just sit down and keep quiet. Ungenaphi hlala phansi nje uthulele lapho. And for the longest time he was quiet until that and another one where he said, "No, and Amnesty, just leave him to be what he's number 3." What's no client? I'm the one that's leading him. Also, just continue. What? No, I need to break it down to you. No, Umtobis is my client and my person. I'm getting away when you didn't even understand me, but you want to take over. That's how Rata is in any case. And he thought he was going to bash Umnisi and Amkibele, and on top of that, he goes up to Nayen. And Umnisi knows he's not going to get a chance. And he never listens to Umnisi most of the time, if you have noticed, guys. He likes telling him off and then be like, "Hey, continue, man, Umnisi. Just continue." You know? Umnisi was like, "No, I'm not going to continue. I'm going to have to break it down to you what I meant." And the stuff that I was saying. That one is on a video before this one. I'm just like, Lubaba Mari, guys. Like, honestly, akakahlali ekhaya naye. Yabo uma kuyena, he must stay at home now. Bese kuzolandela uKelly Khumalo. Kelly Khumalo kufanele aboshwe manje. Literally, fanele emadlanga. Yena and her entourage. Okuma wakhe nosisi wakhe uZandile Khumalo. Basitshele kahle ukuthi uSenzomeyo bamenzani. Because they know exactly what happened inside that house. This gaslighting needs to stop. Literally. Sidlalile abantu phela thina. Business life. Umuntu usho noma yini whenever it suits them. And uthula kuKelly Khumalo manje basekhona accused number 3 or lothe accused number 3. Uphi uKelly Khumalo? Futhi ndakasasho ukuthi accused number 0 uthi accused number 1. I'm just like, you are right. She's the one who invited Senzomeyo, but we've just been played over the years. 12 years on. Sidlala abantu. 1 female, 1. Actually, 3 women. Mina, that's just my thing. Just 3. Babukisa ngathi nje xhaphazana nje meyiwazi nje badlala ngale family ngapha futhi bese kuzoba uHerinele. Yabona uHerinele, guys, I don't know, someone was like, yeah nangumuntu who's busy blinding people. uHerinele, he said some stuff lo umuntu years ago. That video was going, I've been trying to find it, that video where it's going around, and he actually repeated the same thing. Ukuthi awuna ubaloyi will get justice. Baloyi, guys, get justice for Meyiwazi. He couldn't even look Senzomeyo's mother in the eye, lo amuntu. If you've seen that video, which is 2 to 3 videos before this one, please watch that video, guys. I'm just like, ngicela book ebikizanka ngemuva ubaloyi usaba umaga Senzomeyo, you are like, sissy, you know what, we played you. Your son was unalived by those people who were in the house. Mina looking in that space, no, it's not. Hey guys, there's abantu badlalile ngade Meyiwazi like in another level I've never seen in this country. In fact, I've seen cases in the country, but Sabonali, I tell you, and the day it takes another direction, so many people will be shocked. Is it the time? And the time does arrive. During the week, Senzomeyo will get justice. It doesn't have to be today. This time around, or should I say just today, this Monday, Mthobi Simncube is just busy with Brigadier Gininda, and it came out also nokuthi futhi uZandile Khumalo is lying, but uthi kwabonakala endlini there was light, but you telling lies. I couldn't even understand what you saw on that day. And then must forget court, you seeing other things now. Kubalo you said fagumoya and whispered wrong things to you. This is what you must say. Hi guys. Mthobi Simncube is just like, you know what, Uzandile Khumalo was saying things. Hey, I don't know anything about that head. That wasn't my head. I never came to that house, at the Khumalo house. on the 26th of October 2014. So I'm not sure what those people saw. And what has that got to do with me anyways, you know? The DNA and the comba sessions there that were done on the people that were suspected to have unalived since Mayo. Aklangan, guys, it's not my show. Clearly with the Mayos and the South Africans in this case, like honestly.
Mr. Ramos Sipili, and I trust him. He's got a very good memory. He informs me it might not necessarily be exactly what Brigadier Kininda says, my lord, but I think he's also trying to recall, because I've tried to look for that. I couldn't get it due to the enormousness of the record here. But he's basically saying, Mr. Mube, that according to his recollection, is that, and if Brigadier Kininda is not what he said, he can't be held responsible for that because it's just his recollection. But it shouldn't be. It's basically saying Brigadier Kininda told the court that, or his explanation for his failure to take you to an identification parade was that he thought that it would be a fruitless exercise for you to be taken to an identification parade because already a wrong person had been identified by the people in the house. But as I'm saying, it's just a very faint recollection of what he said. Nobody should be held responsible for our faint recollection.
Lana-ke ukuze yena-ke umnumzane uMsiphile ngiyamthemba-ke ngoba-ke ukhumbula kahle, kodwa-ke kungenzeka ukuthi asibona lokho kwashiwo uBrigadier Kininda, kodwa uthi kuloko akhumbulayo ukuthi-ke uBrigadier Kininda wathi isizathu sokuthi-ke angakuhambisi kuyona-ke ikhomba parade yingoba-ke kwakusele kunomuntu-ke engasiyena owayese eboshiwe noma ekhonjiwe, arrested or pointed out.
A person who had been pointed out, but yes, it appeared to have been a wrong person.
Ukhona-ke umuntu wayesekhonjiwe kodwa kwatholakala ukuthi-ke akusiyena.
I do acknowledge the fact that Advocate Minister does place it on record that he cannot recall, my lord. If I may suggest that point can be put in abeyance and then let the correct proposition be put to this witness, my lord. It is not our recollection of the evidence.
But do you have a recollection?
I do, my lord.
From your notes?
From our notes and the record, my lord, Brigadier Kininda testified that he consulted with Mthokoziseni Twala as well as Dumelo Madlala. He asked them if they'll be able to record, to point out the suspect. They said it's 50-50. They won't be able to point out the suspect, my lord.
Uyacela kumshushisa ukuthi udaba lolu-ke alibele ubekela eceleni-ke kuze kube yisikhathi-ke lakhona-ke ozothola u-advocate athole kona-ke lokhu okuyikona kwashiwo uBrigadier Kininda, kodwa-ke uthi-ke uyezwa uma ngabe u-advocate esho ukuthi-ke cha akakhumbuli kahle, kodwa uma-ke inkantolo sibabuza ukuthi bona-ke bakhumbulani ukuthi kwashiwoni, uthi-ke uBrigadier Kininda awakusho ukuthi-ke wakhuluma naye uMthokozisi Thwala kanye naye uTumelo Madlala, wabuza-ke ukuthi bangakwazi yini ukuthi bamkhombe umsolwa basho-ke ukuthi cha kungaba u-50-50. Isona-ke isizathu leso abashoyo ukuthi sashiwo uBrigadier Kininda.
Thank you, my lord, for the assistance from the state. Exactly on that point. The court has been told that there were 7 adult people in the house. He only approached 2 adult people, that was Mr. Madlala and Mr. Twala. So the other 5 people, the other identifying witnesses, except the 2 that have been approached by the state, they were never approached by Brigadier Kininda for a possible identification of the suspect who he has approached on the 30th of June 2020 and told him that, look, you are involved in the killing of Senzo Meyo.
Inkantolo eyakutshela ukuthi ke babe isikhombisa abantu ababephakathi endlini, kodwa yena ke kuloko kushiwoyo ke manje umshushisi ukuthi ke babili ayakubona ke ayokhuluma isana nabo, abanye laba ke bona akakhulumanga ke nabo ukuthi ke ebabuze ukuthi ngakwazi yini ukuthi ke nikhombe ke noma nihambe niyokhomba yini. Lana ke khulunywa ka ngomuntu lena ke yena ke aya kuyena nge-30 zika June 2020 amtshela ukuthi ke uyingxenye wena ke ekulaweni kwakhe uSenzo.
Do you have any comments?
Ukhona ongakusho?
Ngithi naye waya kubantu ababili ngoba wayefuna lokho ayifuna yena, kodwa uba wayehamba ngenqubo yomgomo wecala wakumele yena ayenze ID parade.
Isn't it that he only went to 2 people because he knew what it is that he was looking for, but if he was going according to the procedure of the case, well, he was supposed to have conducted the ID parade.
Ngoba icase ngoba njengana ID parade lapho kimi kahle kahle kunokungabikho ubulungiswa kimi.
The absence of the ID parade, to me, is the miscarriage of justice.
Ngoba abantu basendlini bona bayamazi umuntu abambona kwakumele bemkhombe ku-ID parade nangu umuntu esambona.
Because the people that were inside the house, they know very well who they saw. So they were going to go there and say and point out the person that they saw.
So into ukuthi naye angayi kubo bonke abantu basendlini ngoba wayibona ukuthi vele shuthi babengavumi na ngenze ukuthi wabona babengavumi ukwenza enye into yena efuna enye into.
The fact that he did not approach the other people that were in the house, it's clear that they were saying something else to what he wanted them to do or to say.
Ngoba bona babhale ngomunye umuntu phansi.
Because what they wrote, it was with regards to someone else.
Yena ubhale ubopha omunye umuntu ongafani nalezi zinto lezi ekhulunywa abantu basendlini.
Then he arrested someone else, someone who is different to what was written or said by the people that were inside the house.
Thank you, Mr. Mube. When you have regard to that which you have said now and the results of the DNA, ultimately, what can you say about the failure of the investigating team to subject you to an identification parade?
Muthatha ke lokho qeda ukusho ke manje, uthatha ke imiphumela yolibofuzo. Ungathini ke manje ngethimba eliphenyayo ngokuthi ke lingakhambisi ukuthi ke uye kuyona ikhomba parade.
Ingoba vele lento abayenza kwangesiyiyo.
It is because that which they were doing, it was not the correct thing.
Ngisho isigqoko esatholakala endlini sabatshela ukuthi lo muntu lo njengoba kungesweni nimbhekile akusuye na ku-DNA futhi.
Because even the head, as they got it from the house, then said that the person as you are looking at him, it is not the person.
Phela lento bayenze beyibona ukuthi lento yabayihlangana.
They did this seeing very well that it is not coming together.
I-DNA iyona nto ekumele nje leyo iyona nto eyayibaleka kunayo yonke into kuleli cala labo.
Now the DNA was the utmost important thing in their case.
Ngoba isigebengu sibaleke sayishiya masishiya i-DNA.
Because now the criminal ran away but left himself behind. In leaving the DNA behind, in other words, it means that the criminal left himself behind.
Lese singekho-ke la kule court esihamba kumanje.
That criminal, which is not here in this court that we are attending right now.
Ngoba i-court isiqo sinayo i-DNA. Siyomnikazi wayo lo ngekho la i-court.
Because there is DNA contained in the head, and it got its owner, but that owner is not here in court.
Ingakho-ke namalokhuzana engenziwanga nama-parade nje ngoba zonke lezi zinto zabayihlangane.
Which is why the ID parade never took place, because their things just did not come together.
Thank you, Mr. Mube. There was indeed a situation with regard to this current investigating team failure to take you for an identification parade in the light of the description that was given by the people who were in the house.
Ikona kudaba lelo ke mayelana lithimba lelo liphenyayo ke ukuthi ke lingakhambisiki kuyona ikhomba parade emuva kokuthi ke abantu bamchaza bamusho umuntu owayesendlini.